Hello friends! In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to germ-proof your kids' birthday parties. Yes, this is Party Tips with Shawn. If we are meeting for the first time, hi! My name is Shawn. Welcome! On this channel, I am passionate about bringing back family fun through party games, family fun nights, and celebrations. But today is more of a serious topic. Germs are a big part of having children. We deal with the flu, cold viruses, pink eye, hand, foot, and mouth disease. There are so many childhood viruses and bacterial things that as moms, we should be prepared at every kid's party to help reduce germs. I just finished filming a video of 21 no contact party games. So in case you do want to, in this season that we are in, want to be very specific about what kind of party games you play that limit contact between children but still are fun, I will leave a link to that video right up here for you to watch after this one. Alright, but here are my party tips for germ-proofing your kid's birthday party. Here we go. The first tip is to instruct your guest as they enter your household to immediately wash their hands. So if you're not going to stand right at the door and greet people as they come in, have a sign that asks them immediately to go and wash their hands. Also, while we're talking about it, don't do a handshake, don't come in for a hug. Come up with some other fun greeting to greet your guest. Also, don't touch elbows because, you know, we've all been taught to cough and sneeze into our elbows. Don't do that one. I don't know. Come up with some kind of cool, you know, sign. Hey, we're all doing whatever this is. I don't know what that is. Come up with something cool to greet your guests when they arrive. Also, ask them to remove their shoes. That's just a good general rule of thumb. Give your guests a heads up that you ask people to remove their shoes before they enter their house so they're not surprised, or have socks available or little shoes available for them to wear. Washing hands, take off shoes, no handshakes. And I will leave a link to the CDC down below because I'm not an expert, but they say that hand washing is the best way to prevent viruses. And you also should do like a little song as you're washing your hands for a specific time limit. So look into that. My second party tip, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, is to offer contact-free party games. These are things like playing outside with fresh air, spacing kids apart a certain distance, not playing relay races, not playing games with shared objects, not playing games where kids are blowing things in each other's faces. That sounds like a bunch of knots, but I have a bunch of guesses too, so go watch that video after this one. Another tip is to have a Sharpie next to your plastic cups so that everybody writes their name on their cup. So you don't have any kids drinking other kids' cups. Keep the cups up high so the kids have to ask for them, so that you as parent can make sure that your kid is not drinking someone else's cup, and adults, make sure you write your names on your cups as well. Make sure to ask guests that if they aren't feeling well to not attend. Make sure they don't attend your party. That may seem self-explanatory, but people still come to parties sick, so ask them, say, hey, please don't come, and then send them a get well card. According to the CDC, my understanding is a hand sanitizer doesn't really kill viruses, it kills bacteria. Keep that in mind, but that's just a good general rule of thumb for us moms when we're trying to keep the germs at bay is, you know, you can have little hand sanitizing stations everywhere with some Kleenex and some paper towels. That is my other tip. Instead of using cloth hand towels in your bathroom for people to wash their hands on, go ahead and switch out to paper towels. It's not very earth-friendly that way. If you're trying to prevent germs, paper towels are the way to go. My next party tip is to serve individual food items, finger foods, not foods that are shared. And when kids are asking for those foods, let an adult who has washed their hands give them the food. Don't just spread the food out and let children just grab, because you know they're gonna touch, they're gonna pick their nose, and they're gonna touch all the food. And they're gonna sneeze directly on the food. They do that all the time. So if you're trying to prevent germs, let an adult who's washed their hands prepare the food and give every child their individual plate and their individual cup and have everything be nice and finger friendly. I'm sure that you all have some awesome tips to germ-proof your kid's birthday party. Please leave those in the comment section down below because all of us, this entire community, would love to know your tips. Thumbs up is the best compliment you can give me. Subscribe if you would love to bring more family fun back into your life on a daily, weekly basis. That's what I do here on this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!